Good afternoon, traders. Welcome to our trading room. As I promised the YouTube viewers and everybody who like what I do, that I will be doing for this week, I'll be selecting all the major trades, pairs, and we'll do the entire chart from monthly downwards for you guys and show you what we think, right? We do this once in a while so you can see the long-term process. So if you remember when we were doing this one, 2, 3, we wanted to come to the bottom, and then I told you, you can actually go back and look at that chart when it was at the top there. Our forecast was it's going to come down here and then we're going to go back and break the top. Well, when you break that top now, this is where it gets interesting. I truly believe that this move is going up really slow. See? If you compare it to this was a sharp move down. That's an impulsive move. If you look at this one actually went up really slow too, right? There was a lot of corrections in it. And what happens when you get that is that there is a chance that this could drop here, make a new low. Maybe something like this in a channel way, right? Maybe just come back to about this level here. Just break this low slightly. If it starts to make a channel at the bottom here, then the chances are it's going to go back up, right? Now, this is all the information I have on the chart. I don't know what the long term is, which means I don't know what happens before this point, right? I don't have that in here. So I'm assuming this was a move up. There might have been something here, I don't know what that is, but then they actually drop like this, and you can see there's a lot of consolidation going on here. It might even be an expanding flat. They kind of drop, they're doing this, so I think this could drop one more and then go back up. Now, can it drop and continue to do this for a long time? We've seen that happen in the 60 minutes for a very long time. It doesn't mean it can't happen in the monthly. It happened in the monthly for a long time. So the thing is, from this point, once you break it up, we have divergence. From this point, it could drop. Now, it doesn't have to drop right now. This is the thing of wave analysis. What you know is that once we break that up, it could start to drop. But you don't know that it's going to start to drop because we don't know how high this goes before that happens. What if this just continued to go, and then start to drop? That's possible. What if it goes very high? What if this goes like really, really high? And then start to make a consolidation here? Well, then we will just confirm that, you know what, forget about dropping. This thing is just going to take off. But in the chart at this moment, we don't see that because what we saw was an impulse here, a consolidation here, an impulse here, a consolidation here, and another impulse there. And when we see all of that with divergence of play, we make the assumption it's going to come back down. So here's what you can do. Every sell setup you're going to take. Now you can see on the 4 hour it's coming down. Every time this thing gives us a sell setup there in the 15 and the 1 hour, we sold, we sell. Right? We are going to sell. We are selling this already. But to confirm that it's literally going to fall, you wanted to break out of this whole structure. That uptrend line, break out like this, make a deeper consolidation, and then confirm the drop. But we can't wait for all of that to trade. You can make a lot of money trading this piece just coming out to about this area. Right? What if this is making some kind of a running flat here? Just coming back to this level and then taking off like a rocket. We can trade this down. We're already trading that. So what you do is you go to the 1 hour and take every sell setup you get and be careful of every buy setup you get. So right now we had this sell setup here. We had another sell setup here. We don't have a sell setup here as yet, which means I want another flag before I actually get into trade. And what by that, I mean something like this. I want this to stay here and consolidate for about 10, 12 hours. And then we'll get a sell setup. Now we do have sell setups on some other pair that we're already in. You can see from my thing here, we were in the Aussie, we were in the yen. No, we're not in the yen, we're in the Aussie, we're in the euro, we were in the pound. Some of my traders take it because I didn't put it on because when I came, it was gone already. We are in the CAD, we're in the Swiss, right? So there are trades that we are in already on lower time frame, which means you can go on this now on the 15 and sell some of these from the top coming down. But on the 1 hour, that's what you want to wait. If you're a long-term trader and you're waiting for confirmation of a bigger long-term, wait for a 4 hour flag. So you wait for something like this. See these flags here? All of those are sell setups. So any pullback like this that does something like this would confirm one more impulse. And then the chances that some one of these impulses is going to be really, really big. And even in a big impulse like that, you could get 3, 4, 5, 6 very small flags that you would trade to the downside. See, pretty simple. We show you the monthly, we show you the daily, we show you the 4-hour, we show you the 1 hour, we tell you where the trade is. What if it's going to go back up? Well, if it's going to go back up, you'd watch it when this move happens. When it drops at any point here and you see like it's starting to turn to the upside and we get buy setup, we'll take it. We'll take the buy setup, assuming that it's making a deeper consolidation to continue to drop. If we're wrong about it, it's going to continue to go up way to the top, and that would be the trade we're taking. And that's the amazing thing of wave analysis, is that you can do this day in, day out, and you understand the bigger picture, you understand the smaller picture. Once you understand what the moves are going to be, it's easier for you to trade them. So I hope you guys enjoy this. We're going to go short term. If you follow me, you're going to get the updates very regularly. If you're signing up for our installment program, if you can't join the group immediately, sign up for the installment program, you'll get this twice daily. So I'm going to stop the recording here.